Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
Yes, we can hear you.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Welcome to this amazing course, Human. What's the title of this course? Anybody knows it?
Human computers interactions.
Very good.
Human
Bonus
computer
point. Bonus point for you. What's your name?
Amna.
Amna has a bonus point, the first bonus point in the course. Well done. Okay, what are we going to do today? Today we're going to introduce the course. We're going to wait for the other students to join. I was having a technical problem. Thank you for waiting. And we will play some onboarding process. So we know each other a bit, and I will introduce the different tools we will use for the course. Sounds good? Are you excited to learn about human-computer interaction?
Yes. So
right. Yeah. What do you think that you are going to learn in this course, or what would you like to learn on this course if you could decide? Anna.
Okay, sure. I think we'll be learning more about how we're trying to understand all the algorithms and how computers think and how we can attract people more to computers and to see them as
Wait a second. Why would we want to attract more people to computers?
Because it will make their life easier, because it will solve for them problems, it will simplify more processes, it will process also some work and simplify it.
Wonderful. I like that. Yeah. Anybody else wants to say something? What do you think you will learn in this course? I will do cold calling, which is exciting. Chat, ha. Manifest yourself. No? Okay. Sarah? No? Okay. Anybody else wants to add something? Okay, Amna. Why do you think it is important to learn about human-computer interaction? It's a very good question.
Obviously, because lately all we do is the online communication. It's been like something normal nowadays to interact with the computers every day. We see it literally from the first moment we wake up in the morning. There is our cell phones, and then our laptops for work, and so on. So it's so important to have more awareness or to know more about how it works and how we can interact with it, maybe the systems and so on. So basically, because it's in our everyday life.
That is fantastic. I love it. Very good. Okay, good. Can you see the chat of the Collaborative Ultra?
No, it's not visible.
Let's see. What about now? Can somebody chat to me? Let's see. Let me say hello in the chat. Do you see the chat?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, super awesome. Okay. Can you click on this link? It will open a browser, and in the browser you will see a board.
Okay, yes, we can see the mouse moving.
Hello, hello. Okay, you see it?
Yep.
That is amazing. Okay, hold on a second. Wonderful. Okay, have you ever been in Miro before?
No, I'm new to it.
Okay. If you are new to Miro, can you say, oh yeah, I'm gonna do something with you. Right, so we will use Miro to have interactive discussions, and so Miro works very easy. So you can take a post-it, for example, and I can say yes, and I put another post-it, and I say no. You get it? And now I'm gonna ask you a question, and you can move the mouse wherever you want. Have you seen Miro before? Is this the first time using Miro?
Yeah, but it seems it's easy to use, so it will be fine.
Right. Okay, now for everybody, can you customize your name in your profile? I think you can do that if you click on the top right. By the way, do you see my screen? Do you see my mouse? You don't see my mouse, but if you can put your name so we know who is who and make a small profile on Miro, that's very cool. But I don't know if you can do that. Do you know how to do it? So if you click on the little round circle that belongs to you next to the smiley face, yeah, you will see that you can change the name of your profile. And so it might prompt you to make a small profile on Miro, so you can use the university account, email. Yeah, okay, good, I see. Can everybody knows how to do it? Yeah, that's my. Yeah, wonderful. We good? Excellent, wonderful. Wonderful, okay. The other thing we're gonna do very quickly. I can move. No, okay.
Okay, I'm done. I created an account. Can you see?
Yeah, and did you manage to change your name?
Yes, I did.
Come to the mouse to me. Come to me.
Yeah.
Amna Mohamed, that's your name?
Yeah, that's correct.
Welcome, Amna Mohamed. Okay. If somebody needs help, you can ask. Open the microphone and ask how to do it to Amna.
Yes, definitely. I'll answer any question.
Wonderful. Meanwhile, I am preparing something for you, a surprise. Okay. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Right, good. So today we're gonna do a few things. And the first thing is we're gonna learn how to use Miro. And we also going to learn about each other a bit. Can somebody tell me why is this important to know each other a bit before we start the class?
So we can communicate.
Because we can communicate. Because if we know each other, we will have empathy for each other and we will communicate better. And what happens if you have a team or a class where people are not very good at communicating with each other? Well, then what is the point of having a class, right? How are you going to do good teamwork, right? So it's very important that we know each other a bit and that you also know each other, because you will have to work in groups a lot in this class. And then if we know each other, you will have more empathy for each other and the groups and the teams will be more effective. Sounds good? Wonderful. So here, is everybody managed to finalize the names? Yes. Right, good. So we are only like, what, 3 people? Where is the rest of the class? No? No? Okay, good. No. I lost the. I lost it. Blackboard. Sorry, I closed the window by mistake. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me well?
Yes, we can.
Okay, I hear echo. Do you hear me well though?
Yes, we do hear you well.
Okay, good.
Sir,
Yes.
we can hear you, but it's echoing.
We can hear you, but it's echoing. We can hear you, but it's echoing.
Now we can't listen to you. There is no voice.
Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, okay.
Testing. Can you hear me? Okay, you can hear me now. Perfect. Wonderful. Excellent. Good. I closed the window and that's why. Okay. I see only a few. Oh, there's a bug in the system. That's why. Okay, I see what's happening. Oh God. No. That's terrible. Okay, interesting. Hold on a second. I'm trying to fix. There's some problem with the software. Okay, now better. Right, I see 16 people. So for the people that arrived a bit late, can you come to the Miro board if you're not there yet? Here's the link again. Yeah, you can hear me. And try to make a profile on Miro and try to change your name so it appears. Okay. Yes. So I'm going to share the screen for those of you who are not on Miro. I cannot share because chat support. Let's see, display close videos. You forget the password of Miro, so just do password recovery. Nothing is shared. Presented and others can share. I'm not a moderator. One second. Okay, one more time. Right. Let's see if I can share now. Yes. Share application screen. Share the text. Right. Is everybody here on Miro now? Can you hear me? No. Well, okay. Now, is everybody? Okay. Well, welcome back. Now, is everybody on Miro board?
Sir,
Yes. Can
it's
you
echoing again.
come to the racing track? Right. Yes. Can you hear me though? Yes. Okay, come to the racing track if you're ready. And so we're going to do a race. And the race is about, this is just for Miro. The race is about not going out of the track. Okay, so this is wrong. And Sophie wins. Okay, so when I say 3, Moza come back. When I say 3, we will start. Okay, remember you have to be on the track to win. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Right. Okay, interesting. Great. I saw somebody click on the track. Can you do Control-Z on your computer? So you'll do the changes. Do it again. Perfect. Okay. Now wait and unlock it. Hold on. I'm gonna unlock this. Hold on a second. It's locked now. Okay, now it's here. Good. Okay, so this is activity. So it's to learn that Miro has a delay, and this is also important in human-computer interactions. Delays. Yeah. So there's a delay since you click on the mouse and you move it, and then it shows to other people. So that's very interesting. And this affects the quality of the application. Delays are one of the most important things that you will do in this course. Okay, let's go to number 2, the geomap. Okay, you have a map here. So when you choose, where would you like to go on vacation? If you choose any place in the world, right? Okay, let's see. Nice. Okay, does anybody want to share their location and why they chose that one? For example, Latifa. Latifa ran away. So Anna, you chose Africa. Why?
Yeah, I did. I want to go to the safari there and live among the animals and have it.
You can open up my microphone if you like.
Can you hear me?
My voice is not clear. What about now? Is it better? It's not okay. Hold on a second. I will move closer to the router. Let's see if it works. Oh no. I had this problem before. Okay, what about now? Is it good? No?
I think it's good. We can hear you.
Testing, testing. Right, isn't the connection better now? How do you make an arrow in Miro? Much better. Okay, so I just connected the computer to the Ethernet, and so I hope this is better now. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Is it good? Better? Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Yes, much better. Okay, good. Good to know. All right, good. So let's go back to Miro. Right. Anybody wants to share their location and why? No one?
Okay, so I said
Shadha, would you like to share? No. All right, everybody's being shy. Okay. Amna, what about?
Yeah, I'm here. So I choose
No.
Africa.
Okay, good. The next activity is the yes, no, that we already used. Do you like ice cream? Follow my arrow. Yes. Okay. Have you used Miro before?
Doctor?
Very good. Excellent. The fourth one, it's called the personal map. So this is an exercise that you can do in pairs, okay? And here, this is my personal map, yes? So in the personal map, you start with a circle, okay? And so you make a circle with Miro, you write on it, and then you make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 other circles, yes? And the first one is studies, and then you say, okay, what did you study so far? So in my case, I studied electrical engineering, robotics in Japan, and I studied business models in Stanford in the USA. Then a person that is moving all the time, Nura, chill out. Then work. So when I worked before being a professor, I was working in Germany, Java. I work in CERN in Switzerland. Fukushima, I do design thinking, and then you talk about your hobbies. So one of my hobbies is sailing. Then you talk about your friends, who they are, and then you talk about your values. So who are your favorite people in the world? So my favorite designers, for example, are John Maeda and Hartmut Esslinger. And then you talk about your home. So I'm from Barcelona. I spend a lot of time in Sweden and Dubai is my sector. Sounds good? So now what we're going to do is we're going to split you in pairs, and you need to try to replicate this map in here. Sounds good? Okay. So I'm going to give you a place to do that. Hold on a second. I'm going to give you a place for each and everybody of you. Okay. And remember, you can zoom in here. Okay, hold on. Okay. How many people are we? Right, okay, I think that's more than enough. And now I'm gonna split you in breakout rooms. Sounds good? Yes? Are you ready? So let's see, I need to remember how to split people in breakout rooms. So I'm gonna use Blackboard to do that. I just don't remember how to do it. Does anybody remember how to do it in Blackboard? The breakout rooms thing. Ah, here it is. So I'm gonna split you in groups of 2 or 3. What do you prefer? Groups of 2. So 8 groups. Ready? Let's go. And remember, so you need to build this. So you need to build. This is the thing. You don't need to build your tree. Okay. You need to build your pairs tree. Okay. So you ask questions to your person in the same room, and you build her tree. Sounds good? You ready? Yes? And you do this at the same time. So you need to build 2 trees in each frame. So for each group, you pick a cell that is empty. Group 1, you pick frame 1. Group 2, you pick frame 2. And then divide the space in 2 parts as much as you want. You don't need to use circles. You can use post-its and other tools that you have on Miro. Probably you have 6 minutes to do this. The best 3 gets a bonus point. Ready, go. I need a long electric way. Alexa, timer 5 minutes.